In this video, we see some updates on AI-related tools. The first one is MegaTTS3, which can convert text to audio and also be used for voice cloning.
The top notes feature a refreshing blend of Italian citrus and grass violet leaves, creating an intriguing aroma.
The second application is MiniCPM. We have introduced its early version before. It is a multimodal model. We mainly use it in ComfyUI to perform video reconstruction. It can be used as a prompt and also serves as a training dataset for the universal video model. The third application is Foley Reconstruction, which is an AI sound design tool. On par with Audio and Think Sound, completely unrelated to vocals. In fact, I even wrote vocals on the reverse side here. These three auxiliary tools are almost all state-of-the-art, and I believe they will be very helpful to everyone. Then we'll look at the workflow. I'm using RunningHub, the largest online computing platform globally, to test an AI-driven product promotion workflow. One of the input items is audio generation. So I'll use this workflow to look at the voice cloning feature in MegaTTS. In terms of 3 voices, MegaTTS should be the best. The workflow is almost the same as before. Then there's loading audio, which is our cloned audio. This approach doesn't rely on voice characteristics. Generating audio based solely on the text is also acceptable. Here I demonstrate using audio, then separating the voice and sending it to the audio track. The next input is text. In reality, I've loaded an audio clip of Lu Yafei.
I have my own melody. Why are you laughing at me?
Feel free to experience it yourself.
The top notes of this perfume are a perfect blend of fresh Italian citrus and grass violet leaves.
If we want to use MegaTTS3 locally, we can use this project. Besides cloning a voice by inputting one audio segment, we can also input 2 segments and use text to create a conversational format. In this part of the text, we need to use S1 and S2 to represent the corresponding characters. We demonstrated something similar earlier in Index.TTS, navigating to the AI for RunningHub, or click the link in the description to register and get 120 HB. Log in every day to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online. Then we look at MiniCPM. According to its official documentation, it supports images, videos, text, and audio as inputs and surpasses them in visual capabilities. So we have to talk about it. The functionality of MiniCPM goes beyond this, but within Confluence, we can almost consider it as a video annotation tool. Here I'm loading a video of a white dragon. After passing the MiniCPM, I got very detailed labels, and MiniCPM supports Chinese. In my reverse task, I used it as a prompt for my tattoo video. Looking at the results, the movement of this dragon is mostly consistent with the elements, but of course, there are some differences, because the previous video rendering took half an hour. The core node of MiniCPM is this node. The first option is to select a model, such as the 4.5 version or the Intel 4 version of 4.5. Clearly, Intel 4 corresponds to lower performance requirements. The second option is a preset prompt, which is very similar to settings in educational development. The third box is for custom prompts. We can set a task here for our MiniCPM model, which functions similarly to a system prompt. MiniCPM. It is recommended to use this node because it comes with preset options, making it more convenient for everyone to use. Finally, let's look at the performance of Flying Clouds Falling. It demonstrates SOTA level performance and outperforms Think Sound and Audio in this chart. I didn't feel any particular controversy with this approach. Let's look at the workflow. First, we load the video. Here, I'm using video info to get the frame rate and synchronize with video combine. In between, we use the falling node. This is actually the most core node. In the first text box, we can input what kind of content this video is about and what kind of sounds you might expect, such as a scream. The second text box is a reverse prompt. Otherwise, you can keep the defaults. This node is still quite simple. Foley for Fire Clouds, if we want to run it locally, we recommend using this node because it's relatively easy to install. So most of the time, this channel shares open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It has brought down the prices of many popular models like Voodoo. Some models, like Kaling and Wanxiang, have specifications that are even lower than the officially announced prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up over time really adds up.